Okay, this is one gorgeous Nissan Titan. And yes, you're hearing a diesel. It's a Cummins turbo diesel. This color is just insanely beautiful. It's like a royal blue. We're here in the shade to try to calm the color down because it's just so punchy. But these guys have color sanded this car and did a paint correction on it. It's just stunning. It's like a big blue mirror. Look at the trees across the way over here. Right? And watch them in the side of this truck. Just look at that. It is so crystal clear and glossy. Nice step on this one. Really cool wheels. It's got a step here. Hops down. Hitch. Backup camera. Connection for your trailer. 4x4 obviously. This is the SL version. Beautiful condition over it. Again, look at that. It's like a blue mirror. Just crazy nice. Beautiful everywhere. This color is just so beautiful. Here's the interior. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Super clean, nothing to talk about, no blemishes or odd things. Yes, the seats fold up. You saw them in the pictures. So you got all the storage now capability. These flip down so you can pack in the big boxes of TP from Costco, whatever you want to carry inside of here, some dogs or something. It's got center armrests. I see defroster in the back window, which is not too typical on a pickup truck. Yes, cup holders, center armrests, 3 across seating, cup holders, vents, 12 volt, double for your iPad and your laptop, I'm sure. Magazines, cup holders again, more room, nice stitching. This has a stereo in it too. You see it's got power seats, yes, nice wood grain. And what is the sound system over there? It says on the speaker. That's what we wanted to hear. Rockford Fosgate. That's Corey in here doing the duties of getting this thing going. It's got CD player even, auxiliary in, nav, map, backup camera, XM satellite, dual climate control. You've got the brake controller here, heated seats. These cup holders are removable. Put more big stuff in here, or adjustable. You can move it in different positions. In here you've got the usual pickup truck. This is kind of a normal feature in pickup trucks that have center consoles, and this is adjustable where you want to put it. It's got a little clip here for registration and other things near pens. Nice. This is comfortable, nice and padded but not too soggy. Nice seats, perforated leather, nice stitching, airbag built in the seat, good lighting on the ceiling here. I'm sure we can put glasses in here. Yep, that's kind of handy for your sunglasses. Lighted visor, grab handle. Yes, airbags everywhere. So super nice truck. You pop the hood? Again, this blue paint is just stunning. And with these wheels, boy, they are work really well together. Tires are in good shape. 275/60 R20s. These are good tires. Big disc brakes. They look like they're in good shape. Super clean. This thing has never been driven in anger in the mud. I mean, this is super clean. Whole suspension, everything in there is all clean. No dirt anywhere. And there's that Cummins turbo diesel in here, purring like a kitty. Really good condition over here. It's got the park distance control, tow hooks, Nice LED lighting. Again, that super beautiful blue. And look at that. You don't see that every day. That is worth its weight in gold right there. Really nice dash. Nice clocks in here. Check that out. Cargo lamp, fog lights, auto lights on and off. Your dimmer. All the steering wheel controls right here. You got everything at your fingertips, literally. Really nice. Volume control. So, just really convenient. It's got a brand new cover for the bed. Extra mats, extra goodies. Comes with the truck. Plenty of mats for it. And straight, I don't really see any dings or dents or issues with it on the body. That's why I'm going down the side so much. I don't see any dings on it or anything. Straight. Like I said, the guys have polished this out. It's just so pretty. This is better than shinier than new, as they say. Why? Because they did a paint correction on this truck just to really, because it's such a beautiful color. Love the headlights on this truck. And just look at that mirror finish on it. You can see me in there. I can read the second hand of my watch. Look at that. It's literally like a blue mirror. See everything on the dials of my watch. So this is as clean as they get. You'd swear this thing is 2 days old. There's just nothing to talk about on it. So if you have any questions, call 669-356-4777. 356-4777. This is a for sale by owner. What we do is do what you see we do. We do all the marketing, photography, video, detailing, etc. And then you buy directly from the seller. This is a for sale by owner. So you don't make an offer to us. You're going to be talking directly to the seller on this one. Super pretty car. I mean, truck, I should say. Again, look how clean it is in here. You'd swear it's just a few days old. So thanks for watching. Here's the truck overall. Yeah, it's super clean, super awesome color, and excellent condition. Adult owned. Let us know how we can help you if you have a car you need to sell or restore, service, repair. We do it all. We're one-stop shopping. Great place if you like classic muscle cars, etc. We have a ton of interesting, cool old cars. Thanks for watching.